Hi there, welcome back again in another trade setup. So this time we are looking for a short on the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is in a downtrend from the top and falling aggressively and rising correctively. Falling aggressively and rising correctively. And this time the rise was a bit sharp as with compared to the previous corrections, and that that correction or that move has broken down aggressively, or that trend has broken down aggressively, and that is giving us a clue that the price is going to drop very soon within this channel back to the bottom. So the trade setup we are looking for is the short from that top. As long as price gonna stay under that top, your shot is valid. As long as price gonna stay under that impulse, first impulse, your shot is valid. So we are selling at the current price and looking for it to go down aggressively. All right. So this top, your stop placement should be behind that, and we are looking for it to go down aggressively to the downside. So price was retracing back to that impulsive move correctively. Yeah, we are looking for it to break down aggressively and continue to the downside. So expecting this expanding triangle to break down and continue to the downside. So triggering the sell at the current price and putting the stop behind that. All right. So I'm selling at the current price. All right. So selling and putting stop behind that at the 32, 630 almost. All right. 32, 636, and profit target going to be the new low or at the previous bottom, and we will analyze how that wave going to appear over there. If that wave is going to be very aggressive, we can extend our target for further downside for longer term from that bottom. So we'll see that how that wave going to appear over there. All right, so that's the trade, and the profit target going to be at the 128. The first profit target going to be the previous bottom. We'll see price action at that bottom. Either price is going to reverse from that bottom or going to break down. So our first target going to be that bottom after watching price action, and the normal target which we are setting for this short is the 1.28 440. So 1.28 440. All right, so the risk reward ratio going to be more than 1 to 3, almost more than 1 to 3. So we'll look at the risk reward ratio as well once I will trigger the trade. So 1.28 440. Here you go. Yeah, so risk reward ratio is almost 1 to 5, 4.86. So we'll see you back again once trade gonna further process, and bye-bye. Hi everyone, welcome back. So we were looking for a sell on dollar CAD from that top, and we were expecting that wave. So price hit the target, reached to the target, and it went the way we were expecting from that top. So what was the setup? The setup was that, yeah, that was the wave we were looking for. So there were a couple of setups within that wave for short term. First of all, we were looking for this expanding triangle to break down from that top, and looking for it to continue for downside. So this is the lower time frame, 50-minute time frame, where we were looking for entry, where we were getting into the market, 15-minute time frame. So from top, by putting stop behind that. So we took entry there, and the price went down from top very aggressively. Then we were expecting another correction, and we were expecting it to continue for more downside. So short-term setups. So the first trade we took at that top, that was based on the reversal of that trend. And the further setups which we were looking for, which was not added in that sell, but we were looking for sell. We were selling the short term, dollar CAD for short term for further downside. So we were expecting corrections and continuation to the downside. So we got the correction flat channel. We were looking for sell at this area. Before that, we were expecting this to break down and then further sell at the area, and then price broken down aggressively and then gave us another correction, and that was the that was another entry. When that correction was appearing over there, we were expecting entry somewhere here close to the 786 or 618 after completion of that correction. So that was also a good continuation setup within that wave, this wave. After that, we have seen a slightly bigger correction at this area. That correction broken down as well. That correction, which was bit sharp at this area, and then went down 15-minute correction, and market opened with gap and hit the target. So that was the wave. Here we were looking for a reversal. We got the reversal from that top. We got the couple of short-term setups within that wave. These short-term setups, that was the short-term setups, and that was the short-term setups. Another setup was there, and today price reached to the target, hit the target. So that was a good trade, and it took almost 21 days to hit the target. The trade we took from top, reversal trade, a trade based on the reversal of that short-term corrective uptrend. So as we were expecting that, the trend was bearish and price was correcting back to that trend, and that was bit sharp correction back to the previous trend, or you can say that sharp correction, or like the expanding triangle was forming over there. Now the next wave which we were expecting appeared over there and was pretty sharp according to the expectations. So similar kind of price action we were expecting at this area, and we got that. So thank you very much for watching this idea. Hope you guys enjoy that, and hope you guys learn that how you can get into the market for reversals, and how you can, once reversal starts, how you can get into the market for continuation trade setups. So hit the likes, comment your feedback, and we'll see you back again in another trade setup. Until then, bye bye.